Nothing Phone 1 has 6.55 inches display and iQOO 10 Pro has 6.78 inches display. Here is display resolution of both Nothing Phone 1 and iQOO 10 Pro. Nothing Phone 1 and iQOO 10 Pro both phones have same 120Hz refresh rate. Here is aspect ratio of both Nothing Phone 1 and iQOO 10 Pro. The pixel density of both Nothing Phone 1 and iQOO 10 Pro is 402 pixels per inch and 518 pixels per inch. The screen-to-body ratio of both Nothing Phone 1 and iQOO 10 Pro is 85.8% and 92.22%. The brightness nits of both Nothing Phone 1 and iQOO 10 Pro is 1200 nits and 1500 nits. The operating system of both Nothing Phone 1 and iQOO 10 Pro is Android version 12. Nothing Phone 1 has Snapdragon 778G Plus chipset and iQOO 10 Pro has Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. Here is the CPU process of both Nothing Phone 1 and iQOO 10 Pro. Nothing Phone 1 has Adreno 642L GPU and iQOO 10 Pro has Adreno 730 GPU. The back camera of Nothing Phone 1 and iQOO 10 Pro can record video up to in 4K at 30 fps and 8K at 30 fps. Nothing Phone 1 and iQOO 10 Pro both phones have 16 megapixels punch-hole front camera. The front camera of Nothing Phone 1 and iQOO 10 Pro can record video up to in 1080p at 30 fps. Nothing Phone 1 has 4500 mAh battery and iQOO 10 Pro has 4700 mAh battery. Nothing Phone 1 has 33 watt fast charging and iQOO 10 Pro has 200 watt fast charging. Nothing Phone 1 and iQOO 10 Pro both phones support reverse charging. Nothing Phone 1 has 15 watt wireless charging and iQOO 10 Pro has 50 watt wireless charging. Nothing Phone 1 and iQOO 10 Pro both phones have GPS. Nothing Phone 1 and iQOO 10 Pro both phones have in-display fingerprint sensor. Nothing Phone 1 and iQOO 10 Pro both phones have face unlock. Nothing Phone 1 and iQOO 10 Pro both phones have NFC. Neither Nothing Phone 1 and iQOO 10 Pro have IR blaster. Nothing Phone 1 is water resistant but iQOO 10 Pro doesn't. Nothing Phone 1 is dust resistant but iQOO 10 Pro doesn't. Neither Nothing Phone 1 and iQOO 10 Pro have a 3.5mm headphone jack.